Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you? I hope you are well and good by the grace of Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also well. This is Mr. Selim Reza, assistant teacher in English, Srishti Central School and College, Rajshahi. Welcome to my online video class. Dear student, in my previous lecture, I had discussed with you about narration, and consequently, I had discussed 4 parts of narration: part 1, part 2, part 3 and final part. If you want this type of class of narration part 1 to part 4, then you have to get a good mark. You have to get a good mark from narration by watching this class. Dear student, today I will discuss with you about another important topic. The topic name is transformation. Transformation. Dear student, very beginning of my lecture, I'd like to ask you some question from my previous class. Are you ready? Absolutely correct. Do you know the another name of narration? Yes, absolutely correct. Speech is the another name of narration. Please tell me, what kinds of narration is it? Absolutely correct. There are 2 kinds of narration. What are they? Absolutely correct. Direct and indirect. Please tell me, how many parts of narration? No, you are wrong. Narration has 2 parts. One is reported verb, another is reported speech. Okay, dear student, you say the structure of assertive sentence. Absolutely correct. Subject plus told plus object plus there, RSS subject plus verb plus others. You say the structure of interrogative sentence in WH question. Subject plus bolo absolutely asked plus object plus WH question plus RSS subject plus verb plus others. Thank you so much, dear student. I hope if you face some any problem of narration, you have to watch in this class. Then you will be helpful to watch this narration chapter. So, dear student, transformation part 1. Part 1. Today I will discuss with you about assertive. Do you know assertive sentence? Absolutely. Describing of any place, any person, anything, that is called assertive sentence. There are 2 kinds of assertive sentence. One is affirmative, another is negative. So, in assertive sentence are 2 categories. One is affirmative, another is negative. Affirmative means positive, something positive, and negative means something negative. So now we will discuss with you about how to change affirmative to negative without meaning change. Without meaning change, how we change affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative. That is called transformation. If you do not change the meaning, but you have to convert this affirmative sentence into negative, that is called transformation. But when you convert affirmative sentence into negative, when you convert that, if you change your meaning, that is called no transformation. So, dear student, today we will discuss with you about how to change affirmative to negative. How to change affirmative to negative. Number 1. As I have already discussed this topic in my live class, but in this video class, if you want to watch this class, you will be benefited from this class. So only / alone if a sentence has only or alone, then the sentence will be convert into negative none but, nothing but, not more than. Okay, dear student. So none but is for person, nothing but is for thing, anything, not person, anything, and not more than this for number or age. So only or alone অর্থাৎ অনলি অথবা অ্যালোন যুক্ত অ্যাফার্মেটিভকে নেগেটিভ করতে হলে ব্যক্তির ক্ষেত্রে আমরা নান বাট লিখব, বস্তুর ক্ষেত্রে নাথিং বাট লিখব, সংখ্যা অথবা বয়সের ক্ষেত্রে আমরা নট মোর দ্যান বা নট লেস দ্যান লিখতে পারি। ফর এক্সাম্পল, হি হ্যাজ অনলি আ মোবাইল, so negative. I know you all have to convert this sentence into negative. Okay, he has nothing but a mobile. So this is the affirmative and this is negative. If you want to say this sentence affirmative, so suppose you want to make this affirmative, then you can write he has. So when none but in affirmative only, when nothing but in affirmative only, when not more than in affirmative only or alone. That means only, alone is equal to none but, nothing but, not more than, none but, nothing but, not more than is equal to only oblique alone. So he has only a mobile. Dear student, I hope you have understood the first rules. So second rules. Second, must, cannot, but, or cannot help. If you want to write cannot help, then you have to add verb plus ing. Verb plus ing. So for example, we must help the poor. This is, we have to convert this affirmative sentence into negative. So we cannot but help, we cannot but help the poor. What? We cannot help, so this help verb plus ing, we cannot help helping the poor. Dear student, I hope you have understood the second rules. Okay, let's go another rules. Number 3, always, never, plus opposite word. When we will convert in always in negative, then instead of always we have to write never, and we have to change the word and we have to add the opposite word in the sentence. For example, he is always punctual. Okay, we want to convert the sentence into negative. He is never late. So dear student, we have already discussed with you about 3 important rules. Now we will homework. We will give you homework how to change affirmative to negative. SW number 1. He is always good. You have to make it negative. Number 2, they must play. Here, they must play. You have to negative also. Number 3, only Allah can save us. You have to also, this is negative. So dear student, we have given you 3 homework. Please do this homework and submit as your group. Okay dear student, we are ending position in my class, so I want to suggest you some ethical topic, that means আমরা যেটা বলি নৈতিকতার কথা, morality. We want to give some advice about morality. You have to be truthful person from your boyhood. So never tell a lie in your life. Always speak truth in your family life, in your practical life, in your running life, whatever you are. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.